Hello and welcome back to a riveting episode of Lily Does Her Makeup. Last time I made a video, I spent about 3 hours editing it, maybe 4. I downloaded this editing software called LumaFusion and I literally had to Google every single button because I just couldn't find the ones that I needed, so it took forever and I haven't made a video since then. I haven't even filmed a video since then, so here I am. So for me right now, today's Sunday. Friday was the first day I went back to work after the whole snowstorm because I live in Texas, so I'm sure everyone knows, basically what happened down here. Luckily for me, I was actually really blessed. My power never went out, my water never went out. My mom was really smart with, making sure the water was dripping and checking on the pipes and keeping the temperature down in the house overall, and she's very concerned about all that, so she definitely made sure that we were good there. And then I also live by a police station and pretty close to a hospital, so I was very lucky as far as the fact that I never lost power, because a lot of people lost power for like 4 days and it was like 20-30 degrees in their house, snowed in, roads are complete ice, unsafe to drive. I didn't drive for like 3 days. My work was closed. I didn't go anywhere. I played in the snow, I hung out with my friends a little bit, but nothing real responsible. Clea, my best friend, and I went makeshift sledding in a laundry basket down this hill that's behind her house, and then we ended up going on a walk to these old railways, like 1905 old, and we were walking down it, and we come to this bridge thing, and all of a sudden we hear a dog barking, and I look down and there's just this big pile of golden fluff. We go down there and there's a dog with a collar on it, a big boy that had been just abandoned, probably left, and he needed a collar, and he's shaking and he's skinny and he's frozen, like he's cold and he's suffering. And he sniffed my hand, we were gonna try to see if he would come back with us, but he was definitely way too scared, and he ended up biting me. This is, 5-6 days afterwards, I would say. It's really not that bad anymore, it's most of the swelling has gone down. It's just a little yeah, whenever this first happened, I did not bend this finger because I had a cut that I got from work from a knife that was originally there, and then I think his teeth just kind of tore it open even more, so it hurt really bad to bend it. And just touch it, move it. It's mostly okay to the touch now, but if I hit it on something, obviously it's gonna hurt because that's still a whole bruise. But the dog was posted on Facebook. Clea found it later on Facebook that he was being conditioned by professionals to be captured, and so finally the next day someone was able to capture him, luckily, so I know he's safe. Did I really do much to help him? I tried to call animal service, we tried to call an emergency tip line, but it was a snowstorm, so no one was gonna come out. But like I said, he did get rescued the next day, and we saw that update on Facebook as well, so I'm glad that he is okay. So let's get into the makeup. Today I know I'm going to be doing something bright green because I saw a recent picture of me with some neon green nails, and then I saw this other girl who had some neon green in her makeup, and I was like, okay. And I also had this really weird dream last night that it was hip and bougie to have a snake implemented into your skin, like a piercing. And so I have a little snake, just a little guy. His name is Basilian. He is white and pink. Hold on, I'll see if he's happy right now. He's covered in dirt right now because he's a hognose, and hognoses dig. But this is my little Basilian. Very beautiful. And he is an albino, as you can tell by the fact that he's white. Like I said, he's a hognose. Very beautiful, rare morph. But anyways, I'm having this dream that it's normal to just have these snakes, in your face. like a piercing. Can you imagine that, Caesarian? If you were just pierced into my face? Me either, bud. In lieu of this dream, I might do like a snake. I might not. We'll see. As per usual, to start off, I'm going to be using my 3 everyday eyebrow brushes and filling my brows, then concealing them. I'm gonna do my lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal concealer and then my Maybelline contour. that's the worst form of blush that I've ever tried, but I definitely want to see how it looks whenever I put the powder on top of it, because to me it looks a little patchy. I did my eyebrows blonder instead of browner this time because I dyed my hair blonder. Do I look dumb? Do I look okay? Also got my nails done yesterday by Brianna. They're color shifting. I know you can only see. Oh, okay. They're like green and purple. But we're gonna go and set with this Airspun powder, and then I'm gonna go in with my regular NARS Orgasm blush and see how that looks. Basic rose water all over my face and then highlight with Nicole Guerrero by Anastasia. Try something else that I've never done. I've never done like a lip combo. I usually just put on a lip color, but I'm gonna try to outline it in like a dark and then do red. Of a cartoon snake, and I'm gonna do my best to just put it right here. But it's here now, and I have to accept that fact, because I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed this green, very simple, doesn't really need a tutorial explanation. You just kind of put green and then some wiggle. But you know, whatever. I hope at least someone gets some enjoyment from this, because I'm probably about to edit it for another 2 hours after I go to work, so that's gonna be very fun. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe, you know, whatever you're feeling. I'll see you guys in the next one.